In this video, you'll learn how to get the best female voice in ElevenLabs. By following these steps, you will create natural sounding speech using the text-to-speech feature of the platform. Begin by navigating to ElevenLabs.io in your web browser. Once the site loads, look for the option to log in, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials to access your account. If prompted, complete any additional verification steps to ensure a secure sign-in. After logging in, locate the left menu on the homepage, click on the option labeled Text-to-Speech. This will take you to the text-to-speech interface, where you can create your audio content. Next, you will need to select a female voice. Click on the button labeled Voice. Within the text-to-speech section, a list of available voices will appear. Choose a female voice that is clear and calm, as these typically produce the best results for natural sounding speech. Once you've selected a voice, it is important to adjust the settings for optimal performance. Set the stability to a value between 45 and 55. For similarity, adjust it to a range of 70 to 80. Lastly, set style exaggeration to between 0 and 10. This combination will help ensure that the generated speech sounds natural rather than robotic. Now it's time to input your text. Make sure to use short sentences to enhance clarity. Include appropriate punctuation, such as commas and periods, to guide the flow of speech. For example, you could use text like hello and welcome. Today, I'll show you how this works. This will help the voice generate more coherent audio. After pasting your text, click the button labeled Generate. Listen to the output carefully. If the voice sounds too flat, lower the stability setting slightly. If the voice sounds odd or unnatural, try reducing the similarity setting. Adjusting these parameters will help you achieve the desired quality in the audio output. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.